Hey guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title down below, I am going to do a revamping of my room. Right now, I don't know what it is, and I really want it to look like a boho type romantic look. What's in this box, you say? Well, it's my vanity. I bought myself a vanity because I've been doing my makeup and everything at my computer desk, and it's just not working out. So I really wanted a space where I can just get ready, and you know, I don't have to worry about like my computer and everything being in my way. So got some inspirations on Pinterest as well as Etsy. Yeah. If you guys are questioning why I have a little bit of a list, it's because I have my retainers in, okay? Alright. Anyways, that's what it is. So let's go ahead and get this set up. How am I gonna set you guys up? Let's clean up the room first. So this is what my room looks like right now. And yeah, it got some work to do. So I want to put the vanity right there. I'll probably scoot it over the bed that way so it fits. But Jimmy's side is this side, but because we have that dresser, I wanted more room behind me. So I'm gonna put it there instead. So let's see how that works out. Show you guys what the desk looks like. Insert a photo somewhere here. That's what it looks like. My room is not the biggest, so that's why we got a small one. So this is the legs of the table. That one's already done. Ha! That's the stool. Technical difficulties, guys. I'm gonna try and figure this out. So we don't know what is going on, but the bottom is sticking, but the top screw is not going in. That's where we're at right now. Starting off so great, so great. I'm trying to screw this in, but this dang bottom one goes in, but for some reason this top one doesn't want to screw in. And that's for all the legs. This is how short the dang screw is. Like, look, that's how short it is, and it barely goes in. Barely even goes in. How the hell do they expect us to reach? Like, come on, give us longer screws, people. So what we're gonna do is we took out the ring. Took out the ring for the top one, because that way it will actually reach, and then the bottom one will keep the ring on. Finally got the legs on. Yay! Alright, next we need to put up the mirror. They'll be so done if this doesn't fit either. Alright, now that we got the table done, we're gonna go clean up the room. Since that thing is in the way, we're gonna try to put the table on that side so we have more walk room. Command strips. Ow. Command strips. Alright, now that we got that set up, it's time for the stool. Let's go. So I bought these artificial leaves on Amazon and I'm gonna hang them on the ceiling. Ooh, that is a... Oh, it smells. See guys, even Jimmy was just like, what's that smell? It's that gross. It smells like fish. But yeah, I want to hang that across there, maybe around there. So we finally set up the vanity, so I have a space where I can do my makeup now rather than, you know, sit at my computer desk and do it. So I like it. It's very pretty, very pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up later because I is tired and it's hot. So whatever we do next, you'll see. Hey guys, so I forgot to do an outro, but I hope that you guys liked this video. I know that I didn't do too much. I just built my vanity and put up some vines, but it's just the beginning of this whole revamping room. You'll definitely be seeing more, and if you guys haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button down below and thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!